Hi guys, I'm Erin. I'm gonna bring to you an unboxing of the NutriBullet. So I'm super excited about it. Let's get into it. Comes with instructions. Oh, a quick start guide. Let's pull everything out here. Okay. Up, thing to break. Oh wow. So we have the base, a ring here, and the to-go top as well. All right, so we're gonna go straight into the ice test, but just so you guys can see the blade here. Okay, boom. So we're just gonna do 1 scoop of ice. This is not a big blender, so let's not put too much on it. All right, so we have our ice. So as you guys can see, there's no button. You just press and turn, and the machine knows you're ready for it to blend. And the ice did a pretty good job on first blend. It's pretty chopped up. Let's give it like 2 more pulses to see if we can get this last cube crushed. So not bad at all. I know you guys can't see, so I'll show you. The ice cube is now gone. You may or may not have heard it. Well, everything is on the table, but there is the proof in the pudding. Everything is thoroughly crushed. So I am impressed. Final thoughts. I think it's really, really good for to go as well. Now I'm a little bit more confident that it could maybe crush up some almonds or some peanuts that you might want to add to your smoothie. This is definitely a good investment for those trying to bulk up, head to the gym, and just want to drink and go.